Hey guys, how's it going? How to get access to election information in ASL. Okay, the election to access election information in American Sign Language, go to your state or local election office or visit on websites that might offer ASL resources or videos. Search platforms like YouTube for election information presented in ASL, right? And reach out to organizations that support the deaf community. They often have resources or can provide assistance. Follow election offices or advocacy groups on social media that share information in ASL. If you're at a voting location, ask for an ASL interpreter for guidance. These steps can help ensure you access the information that you need. Alright, so let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video.